About it's part 2 of my video, y'all. School don't call in, interrupt my video. But yeah, like I was saying, he ain't have no reason to be nasty for no reason. He just rude because he want to be rude, and he ain't been dealt with. I'm calling the general. I'm calling the postmaster. Fuck about it. If he rude to me to do something, I'm filing complaints. You complain on us. I don't care. I'm doing my Google reviews if I eat somewhere. You better believe I'm doing my reviews, and don't be getting mad when people doing them Google reviews now. Don't get mad. So yeah, I had the stuff with the post office. They went getting my mail. I had the stuff with Chipotle. I had something in my food. I was so mad about that. But I'm over that. It's a new day. And I've been dealing with my racist neighbor. Saying he called black people shit people on a regular basis. His name Christopher. Like, he stay in my apartment. Got a community with a whole bunch of black people, but you don't like black people. Oh no, you gotta listen to the video. Go to my Instagram and listen to the video. Listen to what he said. Oh, I don't just call your wife a piece of shit. I call all y'all a piece of shit on a regular basis. Yeah, that's what Buddy had to say out of his mouth. Yeah, Buddy said that, and I'm pretty sure Buddy worked with black folks. Yeah, he worked with black folks. I know he do. And using his dog for a weapon. Sad, man. People are so sad, bro. Sad what people do. Sometimes you gotta pray for them. So yeah, that's about what's been going on with me. You too. I ain't been really vlogging with y'all, but y'all see what you hear. You ain't gotta see it. You heard what I said. Get my food cooked real quick.
Did you send the link? Watch it. And it's only here. Because I'm telling y'all, I looked at every single one of them screens.
Oh, yeah.
And they only watching places.
Got my rice cooking. I want that cooked like on the low. I don't want my rice to cook so quick.
About the chicken?
Yeah, I don't want my rice to cook so quick. I just don't. Now, I told them my sink was leaking. On the pipe, I don't know what's going on. Sink leaking. The dishwasher don't work. I don't know. Exhausted. But it can be worse, God. It can be worse. It can be worse. Thank you. Alright, so now I got that kind of on the ball right there. Got my rice going. I gotta, alright, I gotta take a break.